So hi guys, welcome to Tian Data Cafe. So today in this video I'm going to teach you something new called how to create a trend line in Excel. So before knowing what's a trend line, let me explain what is a trend line. So trend line is a small line graphical representation of a data. So it is nothing but small graphical representation of a data in the form of lines. So okay, for example, if you want the sales trend line to be pasted here in column B, okay, so first thing is click on the cell where you have to get your trend line and then click on insert, and there under spark lines you will be seeing a button called line. So click on line and then just select the range where you of the data, then click OK. Boom. So there you got your trend line. So just drag and drop till wherever you want the trend line. So yeah, so this is a spark line. So thank you guys, thank you for clicking into this video. If you're new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. So in this channel we'll be telling you a lot about data analytics. So thank you.